Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're cooking a true Filipino comfort dish, Kinamatisang Manok. This is one of those recipes that instantly feels like home. Simple ingredients, slow simmer, and lots of fresh tomatoes creating a savory, slightly tangy broth that hugs every piece of chicken. It's a classic dish passed down through generations, often cooked when you want something warm, comforting, and deeply satisfying without anything fancy. I personally love the chicken version because it cooks faster, and the meat absorbs all that rich tomato flavor beautifully. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 1 thumb-sized piece ginger, thinly sliced, 1 kilogram chicken, cut into serving pieces, 10 medium-ripe tomatoes, sliced, 2 to 3 tablespoons fish sauce/patties, or to taste. 4 cups water, add more later as needed. 2 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into large chunks. 3 to 5 long green chilies, siling haba, left whole, for flavor, not intense spice. 1 to 2 bunches peche, bok choy. 1 small cabbage, cut into wedges. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Procedure: heat cooking oil in a pot and sauté onion, garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the chicken pieces and cook until lightly browned on all sides. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pot. Cook, stirring occasionally and mashing them gently with a spoon, until they have softened significantly and released their juices. Season with fish sauce and black pepper. Pour in the water and bring the mixture to a boil. Lower the heat to a simmer, cover the pot, and cook for about 15 minutes. Add the potato chunks and continue to simmer until both the chicken is tender and the potatoes are cooked through, about another 10 to 15 minutes, adding more water if needed. Once the chicken and potatoes are tender, stir in the long green chilies, the peche and cabbage. few minutes until the leaves have wilted. Make a final taste test and adjust seasoning with more fish sauce, salt, or pepper if needed. Serve the Kinamatisang Manok hot with plenty of steamed white rice. Kitten approved. And there you have it, a simple, hearty bowl of Kinamatisang Manok. Tender chicken, soft potatoes, fresh vegetables, and a tomato-rich broth that's perfect with steaming white rice. This is the kind of dish that doesn't need any special occasion, just good ingredients, a little time, and a lot of love. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more comforting Filipino dishes. Let me know in the comments how you make your own Kinamatisang Manok at home. Until next time, happy cooking, stay warm, and of course, kitten approved.